This is a 2007 BMW 3 Series, a great fit and finish. It has a 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a moonroof, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and many other features. The following features are also included: air vents for rear-seated passengers, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a premium audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has fewer than 53,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle pays off in the long run. This BMW has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.